how to fix can't join 17 plus games on Roblox age verification. In order to fix this, you will need to go to the Roblox website, click on the gear icon in the top right and select settings. Once you click on settings, you want to go and choose privacy and content restrictions here from the left hand side, and then navigate to content maturity. Make sure this slider is dragged all the way to the right if it lets you. If it doesn't let you, then it means that you have not verified your age yet. And we will need to do that by going into the account info section, then scrolling down, and here age group, you will need to verify your age. I have a separate tutorial on that. You can watch it on my channel. So just verify your age here, and once you have it verified, you can go back into content maturity and drag this slider to the right, and that is going to let you play all games. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.